Hello, in this lesson, we will take a little dive into the history of the Nintendo GameCube. The GameCube is a home video game console released by Nintendo in Japan and North America in 2001 and in PAL territories in 2002. The GameCube is Nintendo's entry in the sixth generation of video game consoles and is the successor to their previous console, the Nintendo 64. The Nintendo GameCube marked a turning point for the big end that saw the company in the position of underdog in an industry it had once ruled with an unquestioned authority. Please click on the video button for more on the GameCube's history.
So now we're going to talk about the GameCube's outside as well a bit about its insides. So at the front here we have the front panel with the controller ports and the memory card slots where you put your memory cards to save your gaming progress.
The Nintendo GameCube's cubic design is said to be influenced by Japanese families' interest in smaller electronics at the time.
So now we're going to talk about the GameCube board to power the machine. This is the... And at the bottom here we have sized DVDs made. They look like mini DVDs, but they're actually slightly larger in size to allow for more data to be stored. And yeah, I think it's the only device that used that kind of disc ever. It was kind of a measure to prevent piracy. Placed here just because it looks cool, even though it took a ridiculously long amount of time to get it to work properly. But as you can see, here's a better look at the fan, cooling fan, and the disk drive and how it looks and how the whole console is kind of layered on top of it.
Super Smash September!
The GameCube controller is highly regarded by its users due to its ergonomic design. Nintendo is said to have spent 3 years in its development alone, and that it went through many iterations before reaching its final form.
Entering the machine, and in the back over here we have this a weird kind of handle for the console, even though it's actually used, it's supposed to be stationary while you're using it. It has a handle for you to carry around in case you want to take it to a friend.